Well, morning folks. It was a beautiful stay. We've got another night here tonight. But today I am going to go and cock around the Harz Mountains. Harz Mountains? That was the other week. The Black Forest. But first we need a squit of fuel. Go with the bright fly. Don't tell me I have to take my helmet off. Not even open. Ooh, spaffed it everywhere. Right, so we are off down the B500 today. A lovely lady in the apartment showed me some nice spots on the map where you can stop and take some snaps, and apparently on a clear day you can see into France from there. We're going to take a ride up there, have a look, probably stop there for half an hour and take some photos. And I'm just going to stay within and around north of the North Black Forest. For now, I'm going to find some twisties somewhere along the B500. Schwarzwald Hochstraße. Oh, I like that sign. You want to warm the tyres a bit. Oh, damp, damp. Potholes. Oh. Oh, a lot of exhaust banging and cracking. Nice. Oh, what a terrible bit of road. Dirt on the road, that was slippy. Shit. Sun's coming out now. Oh wow. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, it's not as clear as what I'd hoped, but still, look at that. I think I'm going to stop here anyway and take some pictures. Let's do that. This is Mummelsee. Where's the blimmin'? Where's the lake? Well, that was a nice little stop at the Mummelsee. If you can see that on here, my hotel is here. The Mummelsee is down here somewhere. So what I'm going to do now is just sort of cock around on these two sort of north routes here. I'm going to do. Friends of mine, they live up here somewhere, so I'm probably going to ride up here and stop at their place and then come back down this way. Yeah, then some point down here back to the hotel, and that'll probably be it for the day. And then tomorrow when I leave here to go to Switzerland, I'll be going then down south. So let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna have to invest in some point and get myself a drone. I really want a drone. How amazing would it be to fly up? Although the light's bad, you know, it's not very clear. But just to fly it up over these forests, and that'd make the videos pucker. Yeah, the B500 isn't the twistiest of road, but it's faster flowing, nice bends, which I like. You can get twisty roads, the smaller roads, but then they're a lot narrower, you know, and you're not always guaranteed that the tarmac, the surface is going to be any good. So if I look to the right, or left here, sorry, there's a much twistier road there, but it's generally a lot narrower. Had that a few years before where we've gone on them, and yeah, although it's nice, it's fun, you can't ride it particularly fast, so These faster flowing bends are much more pleasant. Sturzgefahr 7 kilometers. Danger of crashing. Oh, what a beautiful surface though. Just been a bit gingy with it because it is still a bit moist. Oh shit, and a big pile of, what was that? Dead animal? Or a pile of shit? Amazing, this tarmac's nicer. Oh, mega. Love it. This is absolutely stunning, guys. Goes on forever, I'm doing a full circle. I take that back, the B500s and twisty, it's proper twisty, a nicer twisty, faster twisty. It's just amazing, so sweeping. Flows beautifully. Awesome! Awesome! Woo! That one's a bit tighter. Oh, this is a proper workout. Oh, the brakes are squeaking again. What's all that about? I sorted that out. Speed camera. Oh yeah, there it is. Bloody hell. 2 of the buggers. Well, just stop for a nice coffee at this delightful place. Look at that, that is absolutely beautiful how that's made out of wood frame. The whole thing's made out of wood. It's proper nice. Some woman's just come over, she's a biker, whoops, and said she's seen the Rozzers setting up their mobile cameras all over the B500. So apparently, because the police know that everyone sets off early like I did, so you can go mental down it, they've got wind of it. Damn. So I have to be careful. Look at that, man, that is proper nice. Yeah, so I shall have to go steady away. Don't want no speeding ticket or a loss of licence, which is the general case. I wanted to clean my visor, didn't do it, plonker. Alright, so I've come off the V500 now and I'm trying out some twistier roads. As you can see, they're much narrower, the road surface is as good, but it's nothing too terrible. Not as fast flowing, a bit tighter. Oh god. We've got a Stelvio Pass switchback here. This is the L78. Oh, pay attention, Sean. Shit. Nearly went straight on. Heading north towards Baden-Baden. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at the... This is definitely deep in the woodlands. Yeah, the road road surface is definitely in a knackered state. Bloody hell. Yeah, faster flowing is definitely more fun, but still, this is pretty technical, and I'm not going to complain and say it's naff. Oh, beautiful. A bit hot on that one, ran it in a bit hot. Well, this is a nice road. This is the L340. Oh, banger. Dang it. Right, quick update. I've just spent an hour and a half at my friend's house having a bit of a coffee and a chin wag, and now I'm on my way sort of back south. So hopefully you can see that on the GoPro. We started off here this morning. I've come down the B500 and I went then, where did I go? Up here, all the way up to a friend's house which was up here. So now I'm coming down the B463, so I'm going to come down here and probably come across and either come around here or up there or down here, God knows. Lucky a Patmy water freeze. Oh my god, look how dark that is up there. Is that just the visor that it looks so dark? No, it is that dark. Oh shit. Oh my god, that looks horrific. Don't fancy that much at all. Definitely only a small storm, but it doesn't look too inviting. I do not want to be up here. So I have to tell how far away that is. Oh fuck. Ain't got time to muck about, gents. I need to get a wriggle on. Oh shit, we've got rain. We've got rain. Right folks, I think this is going to have to be a to be continued. Fuck!